Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to reverse image search in Brave. Alright, so first up, we have two options. We have the Brave's built-in feature, which is the quick search. And the second option is by using Google Images, which has more features. Now for quick search, you gotta find the image, okay, or navigate to the web page with the image you want to search. For example, this one right here. I'm gonna click on it. Now what we're gonna do is just right click on the image. Now gotta find search image with Google. Okay, before it was called search image with Brave. So just click on it and it will open up google.com right here. You'll have a ton of links where this specific photo will be located. All right, another option is by going to google.com. Hit on enter. And then here we have the camera icon. It says here search by image. So just click on it, and what you're going to do is just drag and drop an image right here or paste the image link. Let's say this one. Right click and hit on copy link address, paste it right here and hit on search. Or you could just go ahead and upload a file like so. Let's say I'm going to go ahead and find this one right here. Click on open. And as you can see here, the results shows that this one is a logo of the channel. Okay, that's basically it. That's how you reverse image search here in Brave. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.